What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be heading out to the Chillerton car show. If you guys have been watching the channel for a long time, I've actually been going for the past like 2 years now, and this is the third year I believe they're doing it. So today we're going to be getting the cars washed. We're actually going to be getting my E36 M3 washed, and my F80 is getting washed right now. I don't know if we're going to be washing my cousin George's E46 M3. By the way, this is my cousin George's E46 M3. Pretty clean car, even though it's a convertible. I always got to throw shade at cousin George. But yeah, it's already getting late outside, and we're just going to be washing the cars for today. And tomorrow morning, we're going to be heading out to the show. Obviously, I can't drive both my cars, so my friend Nadek is going to be driving the E36 M3, and I'm going to be driving my F80. And I believe my cousin Raz is also going to come with his GT350. So probably going to be a dope show. I don't know if Greg's going to come. Greg usually comes to that show with me with his F80, but he's been having some state ref issues on his car recently, so I don't know if he's going to be able to drive it. But yeah, this is cousin George. He's going to be driving his E46 M3 to the show, and then we got Nadek. He's going to be driving my green E36 M3 to the show. But right now we're going to get the cars washed up real quick. They're not like super dirty or anything like that, but needs a quick little rinse either way.
Mint.
Yep. If you guys watched the last video, I went ahead and like did like a ceramic detail spray on it. Look how it's beating up.
It's about to be better.
That's how you know it works pretty well. And that's just like a detail spray. It's not even like an official ceramic coat or anything like that. Raj, you coming tomorrow, bro? Yeah. Shit.
Let me try it out. I think I have the same on.
Let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
Alright guys, we got all the cars washed. We got my E36 M3 all washed up and looking good again. We actually got George's car washed as well. Got my car over here all washed up as well. And we also got Raz's Mustang GT350 all washed up. And I went ahead and used a ceramic detail spray from Mother's on the entire car. So hopefully that should keep it a little bit clean for a few more weeks. So all the cars are ready to go for tomorrow morning. Got the boys over here all playing chess and shit, trying to look all sophisticated. So yeah, since we're all done washing the cars, I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. We got the boys all up and ready. We got Razzie Wazzy just pulling up. We're still waiting on Nadek and Mahed to pull up. But yeah, we got the cars all ready to go. We got George's E46, my E36, Razzie Wazzy's GT350, and then my F80. Obviously, we gotta have the Red Bull in the morning. Oh, I still have to get gas.
Wasn't Nadek the first one to text?
Nadek was the first one to wake up. He woke me up. 1 minute before my alarm, Nadek woke me up. I'm so mad.
You know when you put
I could have got that 1 minute extra sleep. Well. I didn't think you'd actually show up. You showed up because I said you wouldn't show up, huh?
Did you say that?
Alright guys, we're all heading out right now. We're gonna head to the gas station real quick because I need some gas in my car. And then we're gonna head straight to the show. Just pulling up to the show, guys. This thing is packed, so I'm gonna go ahead and park up real quick, or at least find a place to park, and then I'll get back to you guys. This place is way more packed than last year, bro.
Check out this SI for 2 weeks now.
2 weeks? Oh shit.
That shit's
damn. Is that how they record? The front camera is better than the rear, right?
Yeah. These are the new TE37.
Do you like the R32? That shit looks sick though, bro. I really love this car. Yeah, 32. We got a little E60 M5 right here. I love these damn cars. Ooh, you got a nice one tucked away. It's just sick.
Next challenge, let's see who has more carbon fiber. Greg's car or this car?
Nah, this definitely has. Damn. He's got carbon buckets and it's a right-hand drive. I like all the carbon parts. That is fucking sick. Damn. Full-blown race car, but Greg gets the state rep ticket.
Oh my god.
He probably didn't even drive it here. I know, he probably trailered it here. There's a trailer.
Oh shit.
I'm a fan of these Civics and Integras right here. These things are like beautiful. Look at this. Look at the stretch on this. Damn. That's a lot of freaking stretch. You could fit a baby in there. Got some GTRs with some TE37s. There's a lot of freaking GTRs. Look at this shit.
Looks good with the
Dope ass FD, bro. I love that shit.
Looks good with the wing though, no?
I like it without the wing.
I like it. The bag.
Or I love this color. I don't know why.
I like it too. It's a weird color, but it's like I like it.
Now this is my type of car right here. Grand National. 6-cylinder turbo. Ooh, E90 M3. T's. This shit's sick. Looks like a vet. With DeLorean doors.
I was gonna make a back.
They're like those chairs.
Bro.
They're like school chairs.
Not school chairs. Like go-karts.
That too.
Classroom seats, right?
I know, that's what I just said.
Classroom seats. You think that'll support my weight? I don't think
Absolutely
so.
not,
Absolutely
man. What's wrong with you?
Oh, this is bad.
Oh, there, man.
This is sick, bro. This is sick. It's like molded wide body with some rotiforms. Actually,
I love the color.
yeah, that is sick. I like this. This is my favorite. One of my favorite cars here. No. We look at this GTR first, and then we go to the BMWs.
Oh, okay.
This is what we came to see, Raz.
I follow this guy on Instagram.
You follow him?
Yeah, this shit's crazy, bro. I love this look, bro. I love the headlights, everything.
This is pretty dope too, 2JZ, no shit. I love these cars, but they're so damn expensive now, bro. This shit looks fucking sick.
I think mine is the wood. I think ain't no friendly.
It's got HREs. I like this wing. Everyone goes for that TRD style wing, but yeah, 2002. And then this is what we're gonna be building, basically.
Yeah, basically this is what you guys are going for.
But not red. That's sick though. It's the OG TRD wing. This is what Osh wants, that wing.
I love that wing.
This.
Oh, Habibi.
All reliable.
Habibi, Toyota Camry.
This will last you
Camera, Raz.
500,000 miles easy. And this. Oh, it's left-hand drive too.
This shit's bad.
Manual too.
It's a left-hand
And
drive
it's
manual and it's turbo.
Wow.
Damn.
Watch it be a one-owner car.
This is a six-figure car. Another Mark IV. Another one.
Dope ass car.
Nice Yas Marina blue. It's pretty sick though. I like it. This is nice too. Cool little GTR. I'm just not a huge fan of like the carbon fiber hoods.
That's bad.
I'm not a big fan of carbon fiber hoods, bro. Like when they leave it carbon fiber. This is my shit right here. We got the E30 gang. All right, we basically checked out the entire show. Hopefully I got some good like content for you guys. Now we're gonna hop in the cars and head out, go grab some food or something. Get some grub. Guys, we're pulling up to eat right now and check out that. There's a 33 GTR right there. That is so sick. I think it's got like TE37s on it too.
You know how you know a place is good?
The fries are good too.
Is the fries, the color of it. If it's dark, that means they haven't changed the fucking oil. Yeah, you have to change the oil every day.
How do you know this?
He's a crusty crab fry cook.
Hey, but I'm on a diet.
Hey, go light with that garlic.
Eating the beer oh yeah.
I want food.
He's just waiting for his food.
No, I'm
Don't
not.
lie to the people, bro. Alrighty guys, that is gonna bring us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Had an awesome time at the show. There were a lot of dope ass cars. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe down below as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.